Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a Dolly Parton coat of many colors inspired pillow. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Fairfield World, who were kind enough to send us a bunch of polyfill stuffing. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a funky pillow. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com for all of your pillow stuffing and upholstery needs. Also, grab some Fabrifuge for your no-sew projects. I love it and use it all the time. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.